Hello, I'm Dwayne Lesnar. I'm going to be demoing the top of rack switch integration for Prism. It's part of the Virtual Design Master 30 posts in 30 days. So in Prism, the right hand section is really the set and forget functionality inside of Prism. So network switch, we have the ability to add multiple switches in. If you have lots of switches, you can create an SNMP profile to save you a bunch of time. I already have one created here. In this case, I'm using an Arista switch. I have the management IP already listed. I'm going to list all of the hosts that participate in my cluster. I don't need, if I have a storage only node, I don't need to add it in because there's going to be no VMs running on it. Put in the SNMP information and away you go. We do have version 3 as well for the security conscious folks. Hit save. Now what we want to do is really see what that gives us. So we have go into our virtual machine section, go into, I'm going to click on Prestige Worldwide. So it brings that VM up, and you get all the performance information, but what we're really after is the networking side. So here's the network. I have my virtual NIC, and so we get some stats off that. That's fine, but what happens if I'm not a network administrator? Can I even get a hold of the network team? You know, that kind of the silos that do occur inside of enterprises. So I can quickly get all of the host stats. So we do have traffic happening on both sides, but you know, it looks like our first 10 gig NIC is the one that's generating most of the traffic. And so if I still thought there was a physical switch issue, I would be presented with the port that VM is running on. I get all the traffic information. I can see here that I have no drop packets, so it's probably not likely a physical switch issue, but hey, you're always free to blame the network team anyway. That's really it. I wanted to give you just a brief overview of this functionality. I think it really allows end users to do a little bit more troubleshooting, and it shows that Nutanix is not just a storage-only company. Thanks.